Open the upper cover. Loosen the left and right fixing screws that fix the feeder. Pull out the right side first. Then pull the left side out. Disconnect this plug. Disconnect this plug and remove the wrapped cable. At this point, the paper feeder can be taken out. Disassemble the paper feeding shaft. Rotate the paper feeding shaft to the direction in the video. This side is in a vertical state. The raised part of this part is in a horizontal state. Use force to separate these two parts first. Find a tool to pry this part to separate the gear from the paper roller. You can also use your hands. The paper pickup roller has been removed. Install the paper feed shaft. Remove the gear. Notice that there's a big spring here. Align it with the round hole on it. Press down the baffle and lift the white hook. The black gear has a raised part that presses the white part on the side. Just like unrubbing the paper shaft, keep that surface inserted vertically into the gear. Keep this side vertical. After inserting it to the bottom, the paper rubbing shaft will get stuck. Keep the black raised part level with the edge here. Insert the paper feeding shaft. After installation, manually test it with paper. Install the feeder. Open the upper cover. Connect the left plug of the machine first. Pass the red and black cables from the bottom. Snap into the card slot. Then wrap the cable around the side of the feeder in this manner. Be careful not to wrap the cable into this black part or the feeder will not function properly. Pay particular attention to the fact that the cable enters the machine from the bottom. Insert the excess cable through this hole. Push the left side into the machine first. Push it into the right again and align the screw hole. Lock the screws. The feeder is installed.